Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. I'll try to keep the video short because there's not much to discuss regarding the chart of Euro dollar. And yesterday, DXY made a high of 109.27. It was at the 20 years high, and then it showed some correction, and right now DXY is standing at 108.65. As I have been saying for a long time that, my dear friends, we do not have any fundamental factor or big event that will bring a trend change in the market. So as long as we have any strong news, the uptrend on DXY will continue. And if you see any red candles like this, these are just corrections in the market. DXY is still bullish, therefore please protect your hard-earned money and try to follow the trend of the market. Stay with the trend of the market so that you can make some money as well as you can protect your capital as well. So DXY is bullish and will remain bullish, but we have some news as well today. You can see retail sales coming up after 5 or 55 minutes, so we may see some crazy moves again on the chart of DXY. So please be careful, and new traders and beginners, try to avoid trading during this hour. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. So here is our beloved euro USD. Probably when Euro USD, okay, probably when Euro USD made this candle yesterday, probably all of you thought that we had a breakout. If you have watched my previous video, remember I told you all very clearly that in case market breaks this level, in case market breaks the level 1.0000, you must be very careful, because I told you that the central banks will not allow the euro to fall that easily. They will be holding the level, and as a result we saw price reversal again, and still euro dollar is somehow maintaining its level above this level. This level has become very critical, and the central banks will not allow euro USD to fall below this level. They will give their best fight. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, and as per our expectation, okay, as I have already said in my previous videos, that once euro USD takes support around this level, we won't see some huge move, and more or less market will remain sideways, and we can see that euro dollar is sideways as of now. So today on Friday, okay, if market goes up, again listen to me, if market goes up, then the first resistance for Euro USD will be around 1.0070. This is the first resistance, or from where Euro USD will face some selling pressure. So in case you see some sort of reversal, or if you see the price is being rejected from above around this level, you can take a sell position. But keep in mind, the reliability of this level is not high. Okay, reliability is not very high, because see why we are considering this level. We are considering this level because previously this level tried to act as support, and now it may act as resistance. That's it. Apart from this, we do not have any strong factor to consider this level as a strong resistance in the market. The strong resistance in the market is around 1.0120 to 1.0130. This level we can consider as a strong resistance as of now. Okay, but apart from this level, we do not have any strong resistance. In case if we see today Euro USD going up, then we can expect some selling around this level, and if market reverses, we can definitely take a sell position, because this was the Fibonacci 23.6%, plus overall the market is in downtrend. That's it. If market goes up, these are the two levels, but the purple line is the strongest one. And in case market goes down, okay, in case market goes down, I think that you should avoid taking any sell position. Okay, if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for quite some time, then you can take a sell position below 1.0000 level, because you know how to handle the market. But if you're a beginner, if you're new to the market, then if market crosses also this level, try to avoid taking sell position. because again we may see some strong price rejection from below and your SL may hit also. Okay, so in case there is a huge selling in a market, and if you see market forming big fat red candles, then only take a sell position below this level. Otherwise try to avoid taking sell position. Today is Friday. Okay, no need to take no need to take a bad trade and wipe your whole profit. Okay, so be careful, and if possible, okay, try to avoid euro USD because things are not very clear right now. Bye bye, take care.